answer, let me down, love me till my head spins.
In this video, I will show you how to create a complete music video with AI in under 5 minutes. I am talking about complete scene transitions, synced motion, perfect mood matching, and visuals that feel like real music video productions. And the crazy part is that you can do the same thing with just one click using a new tool called Cremi AI. This platform takes the song you upload, deeply analyzes the melody, tempo, repetition, lyrical emotion, and then builds a full storyboard, super prompt, and animated scenes automatically. So if you have ever wanted to turn your music or AI-generated tracks into full videos without learning editing, today I will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. Start by clicking the link in the description below. This takes you straight into the Cremi interface, and you will notice how clean and simple everything is. No confusing menus or complex timelines. And right below that, you will see tons of music videos created by other users, which already proves what this platform can do. The best part is that you do not need any background in music production or video editing. Cremi AI builds your entire video in 3 steps. Upload your track, describe your vision, and download the final product. So let us get our hands dirty. Before generating your first video, click on Sign Up and log in with your Google account. You will land on the Explore page, where I highly recommend watching a few videos created by other creators so you get inspiration for your next music project. Now comes the fun part, creating your first music video. Click on Flow Generator, which just got a major upgrade for a smoother workflow, and start a new project. This is where the real magic happens. Step 1 is uploading your music file. You can use tracks made with Suno, Music GPT, or any music generator. I personally created this track using Music GPT, and if you need a full walkthrough on how to create your own AI song, I will link that tutorial below. Step 2 is describing the vibe and style you want. This part is optional, but I recommend writing at least a sentence that guides the visuals. After that, upload the main character for your music video. You can use your own photo or create one using any free AI image generator. Choose the video style you prefer. I will go with realistic. Then choose your model from the available AI engines, including VO3, Sora-style, Kling, Runway, and more. Since it is Black Friday season, the price for each model is discounted by 50%. I will select VO 3.1, fast for this tutorial. Next, choose how many scenes you want. I will choose 8 scenes, and make each scene 8 seconds, so the final video is around 1 minute long. Double-check your settings, and click Generate. Cremi AI begins analyzing your music file, studying rhythm, tempo, and emotional tone. In a few seconds, your full music analysis will be ready. Click Next to move to the storyboard section. Your storyboard has now been generated from the mood described and audio analysis. All 8 scenes are here, and you can still add or remove scenes if you want. For now, I will keep all 8 and click Next. Cremi AI now begins converting each scene into a video using the VO 3.1 model we selected. All clips have been animated, and you can regenerate any scene if you want a different vibe. Once satisfied, click Next for the final step. Cremi AI will now combine all animated clips, sync everything with your song, and build your full music video. Our music video is now ready, and the results look incredible. You can download it and start sharing immediately. Now, before we look at the final output, here is one thing you should know. At the moment, Cremi AI does not support lip sync for characters, but I am sure they are improving the platform and that this feature is coming soon. Everything else is top tier. No experience needed, fast generation, full creative freedom, and stunning cinematic quality. Let us take a quick look at what we created. Transitions, mood matching, and scene structure are all generated automatically. And keep in mind, this is only the beginning of what Cremi can do if you use stronger prompts or different models. For pricing, Cremi AI offers multiple plans, including a free plan with 300 credits that refresh every month. But if you are serious about music videos, I recommend the Pro plan, which removes limitations and gives you full creative freedom. I am currently using the Pro plan myself because of the faster generation and more advanced models. That is a wrap-up on creating AI music videos with one click using Cremi AI. If you want more tutorials on music generation, video creation, and AI video tools, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.